Capitalization rules. Where to capitalize. Here are some specific reminders that will help you remember where to capitalize. It is very important for us to follow these rules when writing. We don't want to look like we don't know yet. To begin with, we always have to capitalize the first letter in a sentence. We always have to capitalize proper nouns, such as Carlos, Cihuatepeque, Frieds and Grill, Coco Baleadas, etc. We also have to capitalize movies, book names, and titles. To set examples, Spider-Man, Journey's book, Jellies, Click Clack Moo, Cows That Type. I see a capital letter at the beginning of my sentence. We also have to remember to capitalize the days of the weeks and the months of the year, such as Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, etc. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and so on. We should also keep in mind to capitalize the single letter word first person pronoun I. And here's a famous quote. What? You again? He shouted in capital letters, by Noel Langley. This was a short reminder of capital letters. As for when to use them, thank you very much for your time and attention.